Hello connections, this is website made by me. Let's go to categories. This is the online market website for books. Let's create new category. Test and let quantity 78. Here we can say category created successfully, and this is our category and our 78 orders. We can edit it, we can change the name, change orders, update, and yes, we have successfully updated. We can also delete it. When we will delete, the fields are read only, so we cannot edit them. We can just delete them, and yes, here we have successfully deleted the category. When we create category, we have multiple verifications, such as if we put the same fields, then it will give warning. Display and order cannot match. The another thing is, if we left any one field blank, then it will say required. Okay, that's it. This is Crud operation for Bulkybook website.